Just want to update this video over here. I don't have any editing tools, but the daylight running light is actually a little tiny bulb up on top. I'm going to show it to you on this side. Right here. It's the one with the two little wires here. All right. It's a little 168 bulb. Same thing. You just twist it to the left, take it out, replace the bulb, and put it back in. All right. So the video is going to show that it's a daytime running light, but it's actually just that little tiny bulb, and I changed the high beam headlight bulb. All right. So the video is going to be a high beam headlight bulb and how I removed it from this side after I take this cover off. Okay. So it's a high beam headlight bulb, not a daytime running light. But a daytime running light is that little tiny one all the way up on top with the two wires. All right. Thanks for watching. Ciao. Hey folks, daytime running lights. Driver's side is working. Passenger side is not. But yet we have high beams at night. But still could mean that the bulb is bad. All right, so we're gonna go change the bulb out. That's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna shut this off so I can hear myself. All right, so to get to the high beams, on the passenger side, you gotta remove the little duct here. So there's two clips here, and then this thing just lifts up out of the way, slides out of the air filter housing. Okay? And the bulb is right here. See it? And on the driver's side, it's behind the windshield washer bottle and the battery, and it's right there. So might get your hand in there a little bit. If not, you can always move the battery a little bit. But yeah, this is it right here, and there should be a little clip here. Push a little clip in, and then pull it, and then pull the connector down. I have to put the camera down to do it. All right, push the clip, pull the connector, and this is a lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. So it should turn left, it should come right out. It's a little rusty here. All right, well, that's got a little water stain in there or something. So yeah, this thing is burnt out. All right, so here's the tab. All right, I'm gonna push it with the tab, pull the plug, and put a new plug in. All right, and get the bulb that we're going to use. All right, so the high beam is the 9005. I'm going to use the basic Sylvania one. All right, nothing fancy. You can go higher and brighter, but since this is original, I'm going to go with the standard bulb to match the other bulb. All right, because we're only changing one side. You can change both if you want, but usually sometimes original ones can last a lifetime. All right, let's go do this. Alrighty, so a little finagling, because when you push this little button over here, it didn't lift up enough of the tab. So I took a little screwdriver here, lifted up the tab manually. There it is. Get all the dirt out of the connector. You see it all coming out. Alright, put the bulb off to the side. Let's open a new bulb. Do not touch the glass. That's what they say. I know a lot of people touch the glass and I didn't see no difference. All right, here it is right here. You're going to plug it in. All right, I mean, you can put the bulb in first if you want to. It doesn't matter. I just took it out that way. I'm going to put it back in that way. All right, just try to remember the orientation that it was in. Click. One click and we're in. All right. But yeah, look at that bulb. It's got a little stain on it. All right. Before I put it back together, we're going to start it up and we'll see if it's working. All right.